Hi everybody, I'm back. Okay, after I showing you about display setting string, now let me go to show you the personalize. Once again, just right click and personalize, and here you can find anything related to the personalize. You can set in anything, background, excuse me, color. Here on the side you see this personalization, background color, clock string, themes, fonts, star, taskbar. Okay, if you don't find anything here, you can go to the search here. Now I'm on the background string that's on the right side here. You can see it. You can change background to picture, solid color, or slideshow. It's solid color right there, slideshow in picture. Okay, picture, you can choose many picture right here, or you can beach, umbrella, ocean, sky, sunset, or you can browse to get more sunset. You can browse to get the picture somewhere on your computer, and for that let me let me get to the okay. Here I show you browse. I got my photo picture. I got hamburger. Choose picture. Now I have hamburger string here. Okay, let me back one side. Okay, and then you can fill out choose a fit or straight, tie, center, span. I try center, or let me straight. See is anything different? Yes. How about tie? Yeah. Let me see. Fit. I change back to sunset. Where is the umbrella? Where are the umbrella? I don't know where is this now. Then is right. A fit, stretch. A stretch that's made the whole string in fit. That's match the side tie. Stretch. Okay. And then here you can review your gen, go to themes, and relay setting other than high contrast settings, since your settings, blah blah blah. Next is the color. You can change the color right here. And the color string appear here. You can choose your color, automatically pick an accent color from your background, recent color, this, and window colors. What else we got here? Custom color. You can click here. There are many more. And more options. Transparency. At first, show accent color. Okay, here that's the last step. Here you can change light, dark, up. Next is you go to lock string. Here lock string, window spotlight, all stuff here. You can try with your ones. Let me go next one. Themes. Themes is the string here, current custom with this background color, mouse self string, apply theme backgrounds. I change it back there. You can apply general anything you want here, and many more here for you. Next is France. It's the last stop, so I just try to go just go like, you know, show your string where is this is, and so you can find out in here. Fonts that have my other fonts, you can type here to search. These are all languages. Over horizontal complex arrival. Here they have the font style here, and then here the example. You see there's a different arrival in the font script. This is different, okay, and find the one you like and then pick that one, and the many font style here for you to change. Okay, that's you can just type download for all languages. And here star string, yeah, show title and star, show show recent related so suggestion like stop here, start full string, blah blah blah. Yeah, for the start. Next is the taskbar. Taskbar, here you can lock the taskbar, automatically hide taskbar, automatically hide taskbar from desktop mode, on the small button, blah 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 blah, and show button taskbar location of your screen bottom, or you can change left, top, right, and combine taskbar button, always high label when taskbar is full, never stop multiple plays. People show contract, show people notification, show my people suggestion. Okay, that is a personalization personalization section. This you can hear. That's all I just went through. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.